talking about a disease which is known as scarlet fever. So, scarlet fever is a prevalent disease among the children who are below 10 years of age, and causative organism is group A beta hemolytic streptococcus or Streptococcus pyogenes. Basically, it is a bacterial infection that is spread by droplet infection, that is through common cough and cold. If somebody is having, it can spread to other people. Now we will discuss about the signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms include the patient comes with a history of high-grade fever, sore throat, rashes over the body, giddiness, vomiting, abdominal pain, and also sometimes it presents as a desquamation of skin. Now coming on to the symptoms. When patients come to us, we notice that patient is having high-grade fever, he is having rashes, he is having tonsillitis or pharyngitis, and tongue is strawberry tongue, that is a typical of scarlet fever. Also patient may present as desquamation of the skin. Coming on to the complications of the disease. Complications, it may result in peritonsillar abscess, it may result in arthritis, it may result in rheumatic fever, and many other complications related to kidney as well. So now coming on to the treatment. Treatment is in the form of antibiotics. Antibiotics in the form of penicillin groups or augmentin. We should remember that antibiotics should be taken for a total of 10 days in order to prevent further complications. So we should be careful and we should give proper 10 days of treatments to prevent further complication in the child in the form of rheumatic fever or any other. Thank you.